Margaret R. Peg Kirshner Stevenson. Originally from Ohio, Margaret Kirshner became one of the first women to fly U.S. military aircraft, including the B-17 Flying Fortress bomber. While attending Youngstown College, Peg and 7 classmates bought an airplane and earned their private pilot's licenses through the Civilian Pilot Training Program. Peg was one of 1,830 pilots out of the 25,000 applicants to be accepted into the Women Air Force Service Pilots Program during World War II. On Easter Sunday, 1943, at 22 years old, she reported for basic training at Avenger Army Airfield in Sweetwater, Texas, to advance to B-17 bomber training at Lockburn Army Airfield in Columbus, Ohio. As one of only 13 WASP to pass the training, Peg helped prove that women could fly every type of plane in the military. She and 3 others were selected to stay at Lockburn for advanced training, where they completed the B-17 instructor's course and received their instrument and altitude ratings. They were the first to fly the unpressurized bomber above 25,000 feet. Following her service, Peg moved to Michigan, married Thomas Stevenson, a USAAF lieutenant, and became the mother of 4. As a single parent in 1955, she earned a Master's of Arts in Education from Central Michigan University and taught for 30 years with the Saginaw Public School District as a reading specialist, adult education director, and elementary principal of 5 schools. Peg received an honorable discharge certificate in May of 1979 after the 95th Congress officially recognized the WASP as a military organization, qualifying her for long overdue veterans benefits. In 1984, the military awarded Peg the World War II Victory Medal and the American Theater Ribbon American Campaign Medal. Peg passed away on July 12, 1998. For exemplary service in her country and representing Michigan as a WASP and education leader, Margaret R. Peg Kirshner Stevenson is inducted into the Michigan Aviation Hall of Fame.